Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sashi Aari Works. And in my channel we are just uploading regular videos on Aari embroidery, which is a handmade embroidery. And in today's video I am going to share you this particular design. I'm just recreating this. So hi friends, so in this video I have made this golden ball work. So I will just show you how to make this. So for this I have taken two sizes of golden balls. One is a smaller one, this one. The other one is like 4 mm. You can take 4 mm or 5 mm. So what I'm going to do is I have taken this needle which we used for bead work, and as I told you regarding the sizes of the needle, I just have only two type. One is a thread one and the other one is the normal this needle. So regarding the I don't prefer the other ones which has there are many sizes, but I'm not sure about this size. So I will just check out and tell you about the size for this, because I just purchased from my local shop, so they did not mention any sizes for this needle. So let's get into the work. So now I have taken a silver zari thread. You can use golden zari, silver zari, or you can use your normal sewing thread also. Now you have to take one small bead and then one big gold bead, again one small golden bead, one big golden bead, again a smaller one, and then a bigger one. So in this way you have to take two different sizes of beads in alternate fashion. And then remember, we have in our basic stitches we made a stitch called water filling. So we are going to do the same thing using the golden balls. We are just going to put random chain stitches using these beads in a random fashion, in some irregular fashion, just like a filling purpose. So have to just insert. So just insert one small bead and then put a chain stitch. Again insert a big golden ball and then you have to put a chain stitch. So in this way you have to fill the entire thing. So I'll just show you how to fill it. If you like our work, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Sashi.